This video will show you how to quickly verify your Binance account. Start by opening the Binance app or website and signing in or creating an account. Gather your ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and recent proof of address, like a utility bill. Ensure you have a good internet connection, a clear camera, and valid documents. Before starting, select verification or identity verification in your profile and choose either individual or business verification. Enter your full legal name and date of birth, exactly as they appear on your ID. Upload high-quality photos of the front and back of your ID, making sure to avoid glare. Next, complete the facial verification by following the on-screen prompts. Position your face within the frame and turn your head slowly when asked. If recognition fails, retry immediately, ensuring you have good lighting. Wait for the confirmation screen before proceeding to the next step. Upload proof of address if requested using a PDF or image file. Enhance security by enabling two-factor authentication, setting up Google Authenticator or SMS2FA. Also, add email verification and confirm your recovery options. If you plan to deposit or withdraw fiat currency, link your bank or card. For the final checks, review your submissions and promptly correct any errors. Monitor your email for approval or requests for additional information. Verification typically takes anywhere from a few minutes to a few days. If you experience delays, contact Binance support with your ticket ID.